Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Scorers. So our today's topic is integration. Listening to this word itself, many of us get scared. We think that this topic is very difficult, damn difficult. Including me, I am not anything different from all you guys. Including me, like when I was giving my board exams, even I thought this chapter was damn difficult. But yet, I could give my best. I could give a try to this chapter. So let's see how did I give a try, how could I make it up to it. So before knowing that, we'll see what are the total weightage of this chapter, how it is allotted, like what are the marks that we can get from this chapter, and what are the questions. And at the end of this video, I'll give you a tip like how you can ace this chapter, or how I ace this chapter, and how I could manage to get most portion of it, like at least some 80% of this chapter into my hands. So let's get started, guys. Firstly, we'll see what is the total weightage of this chapter, and then how it is allotted. Coming to total weightage of this chapter contains 22 marks. Guys, as I said before, this chapter has the highest weightage. So it has 22 marks, and if you ace this chapter damn easily, then I am sure that you can pass only by this chapter itself. But yet, we'll go. Now let's see what are the marks allotted in this chapter. So it is 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6. So you have two markers and two 3 markers. You have a 1 marker and 5 marker and a 6 marker from this chapter. So now let's see what are the questions that can be asked from this chapter. So first, going on to 1 markers, here you will have only simple integration. It won't be very complicated, it will be very simple integration. If you know the basics integration, rather if I say if you know differentiation, then definitely you can solve the 1 markers based on that, because integration is nothing but the reverse of differentiation, we all know that. So you can do that. Now coming to 2 markers, we have two types of sums. One is substitution integration, and another one is multiple and submultiple problems. So 1 2 marker will be definitely a substitution integration. So you need to know what will be substituted for what integral. So if you know that, then you can ace that. And coming to second one, multiple and submultiple problems, like how we have in this trigonometry, like that you can use that in integration also. Now coming to 3 markers, here also you have two types of sums. It can be integration by partial fraction or integration by parts. Only these two are the type of questions that will be asked in 3 markers. So if you solve at least some 5 sums in each type, then I think you can solve both the 3 markers. So there you can get 6 marks from this chapter. Now coming on to 5 markers, you have derivations. Derivations on standard integrals. You have 7 standard integrals, and in that I hope 4 are very important, and almost all the derivations are very similar to each other. So if you get to know how to you are doing the derivations, and since you have the ready-made answer in your books, so you can practice that also. So there you can get 5 marks. So 5 plus 6, 11 marks you already got. Now coming to 6 markers. 6 markers will be proving integration of a function, that is f of x. So f of x is equal to some integration, it will be given. If you ask me, then I didn't attempt this 6 marker, because we definitely have options in 2 markers, 3 markers, 5 markers and 6 markers. But yet 5 markers I attended the question, because it was derivation which I knew, and it's like spoon feeding. You have the derivation and you are just solving that once again, that's all. And 3 markers, at least you'll have the you'll have stepwise marking also. So you are, if anywhere your answer goes wrong, before steps will get marks. So why should it be give it a try? So according to me, you can give at least gain 11 marks out of 22. Isn't that good? Okay. And if you know simple differentiation, then one more mark adds up to your account. So this is all about in this chapter, and how I ace this chapter. So if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.